Good evening, everyone. I'm Ron Trevino. Great to have you with us tonight. The first shipments of Pfizer's COVID vaccine are expected to arrive in Houston tomorrow. It's our best shot at fighting this pandemic. Hospital leaders say plans are in place to start giving shots to frontline workers immediately. Here's Stephanie Whitfield.
The first shipments of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine have left its plant in Michigan and touched down at shipping hubs in Kentucky and Tennessee. UPS says the special ultra-cold containers will be sorted and distributed across the country as early as Monday.
So if it arrives tomorrow, we begin distributing it tomorrow.
Dr. Linda Yancey says Memorial Hermann Health System has been allocated more than 16,000 doses of the vaccine in the first shipment alone.
Once you take it out of the freezer, it takes about an hour for it to thaw to the point where it can be administered. And once thawed, that 5-dose vial is good for 24 hours.
MD Anderson expects nearly 5,000 doses of the vaccine to arrive tomorrow. Memorial Hermann and Houston Methodist have also shared their vaccination plans and videos of their freezers ready and waiting. Frontline workers at both health systems have started scheduling shots in 15-minute windows.
We figured we needed a 60% effective vaccine. We'd have been over the moon at 75. 95% from both vaccines is more than we dreamed of.
The goal is to vaccinate thousands of people a day. Many hope this is the beginning of the end of the COVID-19 pandemic. Stephanie Whitfield, KHOU 11 News.